There are several ways to start using Essence Workbench. In this video, I'll walk you through some. When you log in, you'll arrive in one of 4 places within the application, depending on the type of link that brought you here. They are a homepage, a team room showing a game board or the element map, or by following a quick start. Let's start on the homepage and work out what some of these terms mean. Here we can see a summary of all my work within the Essence Workbench. At the top, the most recent game boards I've used and the team room they are in. Game boards are practice-aware canvases that we use to help learn, understand, use and improve our practices and overall ways of working. Game boards contain practice elements in the form of cards or tokens, along with other elements such as text, pictures, videos, icons, links, and so on. Further down we've got a list of recent team rooms. Team rooms are where we work. They contain the practices we've chosen, plus any game boards that we're working on. We can also store notes and to-dos that are specific to this team room and create custom elements and track state. On the bottom right is the list of practice collections in this version of Essence Workbench. Here there are 2. One with all practices and one that just contains the flow system. Clicking on these will take you to the list of practices within that collection. We can also access these collections at any time from the main drop-down menu. Clicking here gets us to the same view as from the homepage. Now we can select one or more practices and create a new team room. When we add more than one practice, we call that a composition. Once we've chosen the ones we want, we can create a team room and get started. Sometimes a link will take you directly to a game board. Usually that's from somebody else's team room and they're inviting you to join. If that's the case, you'll see the green Add to My Team Rooms button. By clicking this, you'll join their team room, be able to see everything that's in it, make changes, and find it again through your homepage. Anytime you see this button, it means you're not a member of this team room, and without clicking it, won't be able to get back to it through your homepage. The third way is identical to the second, except instead of opening in a game board view, the team room opens in the element map. You can tell which you're in by looking at the left-hand menu. Game boards are denoted by the easel icon, the element map by the network icon. The final way is with a quick start, either by clicking on it here in the homepage, or by clicking on a link with a quick start embedded. A quick start is a pre-configured team room that contains some selected practices and game boards. There's usually a description of what they do and why you would want one. Clicking here creates a version of that new team room for you. Unlike the previous case where you're joining someone else's team room, this one is all yours. Once created, you can use the team room any way you want. You can change things, edit or delete and not affect anyone else. Running the quick start again, either by clicking on it or following a link with a quick start embedded, will create another room with the same original configuration, so you can always get back to where you started if you want to. That's the 4 ways to get started with team rooms in Essence Workbench. You can select practices from a collection, join an existing team room with a link, either in the element map or the game board view, or follow a quick start to get a pre-configured team room of your own.